In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot when Facebook isn't working properly with your Shopify store. Whether it's catalogs not syncing, your pixel not tracking correctly, or setup errors popping up, we'll go through a simplified checklist with step-by-step fixes to get things back on track. Let's start by checking the Facebook and Instagram app within your Shopify setup. You'll want to head over to your Shopify admin. Once you're there, go to Settings, then Apps and Sales Channels, and navigate to Facebook and Instagram by Meta. It's crucial to ensure that your Facebook account, Business Manager, Page, and Ad account are all connected properly. This connection is the backbone of how Shopify communicates with Facebook, so double-checking that everything is linked correctly is a solid first step. Next, let's talk about ensuring the correct roles and permissions are set up. On Facebook, your personal profile must have the admin role for both the page and the business manager. Sometimes, if your page role is listed as custom rather than full admin, it can cause integration issues. If that's the case, disconnect the account and then re-add it, making sure to assign full admin rights. Moving on to domain verification. Head into Meta Business Settings and verify your store's domain. Shopify might prompt you to do this step to ensure that everything is secure and that Facebook recognizes your store as legitimate. It's an important security measure that can often be overlooked. Another point to consider is making sure your store is live. Your Shopify store should not be in password mode. It must be publicly accessible for Facebook shops to function correctly. If it's not, adjust your settings to make it accessible to everyone, ensuring that potential customers can see your products. Now let's check on the product catalog and its availability. Within Shopify, take a look at each product's sales channel availability. Verify that Facebook and Instagram is enabled. In addition, make sure that your product data, such as images, titles, and prices, meets Facebook's guidelines to prevent any rejection from their end. If you've checked all these things and there are still issues, it might be helpful to reconnect or refresh the connection between Facebook, Instagram, and Shopify. If you notice something outright wrong, like a page not showing or the pixel failing, try disconnecting the integration and then reconnecting it, following the setup wizard carefully. As an extra step, consider doing this setup in a clean browser. Clear your cache or use an incognito mode to avoid any issues that might arise from cookies or browser extensions interfering with the process. By methodically working through this checklist, you should be able to resolve most issues when Facebook isn't working properly with your Shopify store. Stay patient and thorough, and you'll be back on track in no time.